Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Harbor Freight, another Harbor Freight email from Bauer. It says choose Bauer for all your projects. We got definitely some great deals, some great coupons here. Multiple tool combo kits to choose from. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. So alright, let's go ahead and get started. Pretty much we got a little demonstration here of what Bauer's tools can do, mostly for DIYs. Definitely some great deals there for the DIY. Alright, let's just choose Bauer for all your projects, whether you're building a deck, outfitting your wood shop, or working in the yard. Bauer has a tool for you at very low price. I do gotta say, Harbor Freight does have some great deals on their batteries. If that's what you like, you know, there's other tool lines out there. I know there's other tool lines, and there's a lot bigger tool lines, but you know what? Harbor Freight, I gotta say, Harbor Freight, in every tool line, they do have awesome prices on their batteries. So that's one thing that you can get a great value on these tools. And now that they're expanding their tool line. Anyways, alright, let's go ahead and get started with the first one here. I'm gonna see if I can make this bigger. I'll just leave it there, and then I'll just let's see if I can make this bigger. Anyways, I'll just go over it, and then I'll just go over this number here for you guys. So we got the first kit we have a 7-tool combo kit from Bauer, obviously. Hypermax Lithium 7-tool 2-battery combo kit. So you get a drill driver with the battery, a charger. This already comes in a kit, so you're gonna just pick that up, and then you're gonna pick up a 3/8 impact wrench with the bare tool, which is a really nice tool here if you do DIY, you know, tire rotations. Well, I don't know if you could do this. Yeah, I guess you can, because it's only 100 pounds. If you have a car, they're only 100. Should be only 100 or 90 foot-pounds of torque. So this should take it off. And then you got a circular saw. It's a 6.5 circular saw. You got a random orbit sander. You got a reciprocating saw. You got a 4.5 angle grinder. And then you got a 300 lumen flashlight, a 3 amp hour battery. So then again, right off the bat, you're going to get 2 of these batteries. You're going to get a charger and a battery with this kit. A small battery, and then you're going to get a bigger battery with the 3 amp hour. This battery is pretty good. I do have a few of them. I use them for around the house and yard work and stuff like that. But yeah, you're definitely going to need more of these batteries, or at least another big battery, if you're going to be handling like this angle grinder, the circular saw, or this reciprocating saw. These tools demand a battery like this. So you're at $299, so which is not a bad deal, because it's, you know, this is pretty big actually. So, and then you're getting the value of these batteries. So in case you want to upgrade, you know, you're only down $40. You're only down $50. So for bigger batteries. So that's definitely a go-to deal here at Bauer. Not necessarily getting the killer deal with this, 7-tool combo kit, but just for the fact that you're getting these batteries, you can upgrade these batteries for like really cheap, dirt cheap basically. That just makes it a good value on this platform. So you got online store or in-store buy now. So I would definitely consider you guys going to the, I'm going to see if I can zoom in there. So that is the coupon code number. Make sure you guys take a screenshot on your phone or picture on the computer, whatnot. Write down the code here, 30868899. That's the first one here. We got the next one we got. It's the 52-piece 4-tool combo kit. So we got a drill driver drill kit. You got battery, charger, and bags, like the same as before. You got a 3/8 impact wrench. Remember, guys, this is an impact wrench. The same thing with this one. This one's an impact wrench. It's not a drill. It's not a, what is it? Impact driver. It's an impact wrench. Impact wrench is when you have the little ratchet square here on the top or the front. That's an impact wrench. That's what this one has. So you got 35-piece screwdriver bit sets. So these are meant for this. This does not fit on that. You got a 3 amp hour battery. You got a reciprocating saw, and you got a 9-piece blade set. You got a 6.5 circular saw, and then you got a 6.5 circular saw blade. So basically an extra blade. They just throw it on there, I guess. $2.99. I think the one on the top is a much better deal. You get more stuff here. Yeah, either that or the bottom one. Bottom one was good too. All right, let's go ahead and zoom in here. All right, so we got 30. We got coupon code 30867005. So definitely recommend you guys, like I said, writing that down, taking a picture. These toolkits or these coupons expire 9/30/20, so you got about 4 days, 3 days. So you guys could stop by and get them if you guys need to get them. Definitely, I think this is the better deal of all of these, because you're getting the. Sorry guys, my phone's going off from work. You know, I don't take weekends off. I work straight pretty much 7 days a week, either one thing or another I'm doing. You got Bauer 5-piece 2 tool 2 battery combo kit. Includes, let's see if we can zoom in here for you guys. You got it says combo kit includes a 20 volt Hypermax lithium cordless 1/4 hex compact impact driver tool only, 20 volt Hypermax cordless 1/4 hex compact impact driver kit with the 1.5 amp battery, rapid charger in a bag, and one. Yeah, so I guess did they mess up on this? Did they put the same tool lithium compact impact driver? I think they messed up on that on this, because they did put 2 impact drivers. So you get a 20 volt Hypermax impact hex compact impact driver, and then you get a hex Yeah, they messed up on this, guys. You don't get 2 impact drivers, or either that or they messed up in there in this picture. I don't think they messed up on the picture. I think they messed up on the wording here. So I guess you get a drill driver here, which is a regular drill, you know, with speed selector settings there and drill settings there. And then you get the impact driver, which is what they're talking about here on both of these. So 1/4 hex compact impact driver, tool only. Yeah, my guess is probably from what it looks here, you're getting the cordless hex compact impact driver tool only. So you're getting this tool only, and then you're getting this kit basically. That's how it works. So when you go to the store, just pick one of these tool only, and then just pick up one of these tools kits, and go to the register. Same thing with the ones on the top. Pick out your tools. Make sure they're in the order that the coupon says, and then just take it to the register and then just scan this coupon. So it's 308645. Let's zoom in a little bit for you guys. So 30864500. That's the coupon code. The next one we have is the build your own kit. It says Bauer. Any one of our 20 volt Bauer tools save $20 instantly. So this is what we've seen before. Pretty much they got I guess this is one of the bigger batteries. So you get $20 off. You buy a tool, battery, and a charge. That's basically what it comes to. 20 volt max Hypermax lithium impact wrench. 3/8 with. Is this the same as the one that we're talking about here? See, this is a hex impact. The 1/4 hex impact. This is the 3/8. I believe they got the pictures mixed up here. Not unless it's me. Yeah, you guys see, that's what the impact. This is the 3/8 impact wrench with the square on the front. Well, it looks just like it, but they got the wrong picture here. So anyways, we got the impact wrench, which is the one on the top, the one with the square front here. You got 3/8 anvil with heavy duty hog ring, 325 pounds of torque, nut busting torque. So guys, this is gonna take your lug nuts off. 2,500. Yeah, this is definitely gonna take your lug nuts off. I recommend you guys getting this kit. This is probably the better kit of all these kits. This one and this one. So definitely recommend that. You got the Bauer lithium system with more power, runtime, more amp hours. So yeah, they do got the different batteries that they have now. Guys, I went to the store. These two are just basically the same size. My guess is probably this was the upgraded version of this. So they got, better cells inside. But yeah, same size basically. But yeah, you are getting more out of it because, you're getting a lot better cells and inside, better interior. Got the Hypermax Rapid Charger. Yeah, they're coming out with the Rapid Charger. This is not a Rapid Charger. This is a really standard low charger. This is not a Rapid Charger. Unless they're coming out with, yeah, they're coming out with another one. So that's pretty much the demos that they have. Bauer line is a fairly decent homeowners line here. So, and then you got the big tool line there. Let's see if we can. No pictures. Can we get a picture? I guess not. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, maybe to review videos.